TellerAfricaTickets.com.
And I can't say go to politicians poster. Politicians. And they work with them. If they promise you here, just no say anything don't happen until Jesus come. Politicians. Only when they use their hand break within their promise. That time for Potako when they simple stop to put poster. Those of them when they do show, I remember. When the election reached, only they put poster pass us. Scatter the whole town. Now we verse. If they put, we put on top. When you're shocked for morning, we wake up, you will see weekend own for afternoon. Dakuku. For evening, praise we, toy. The next day, the same place, the next day, Salvation Ministry. The next day, Winners Chapel, Deeper Life, AY Life, Night of 1,000 Life, the calling of advisor, Arize Baba Clean and Classy. Fly over with the stop here, poster come. Take God reach here. One madman come one day, tear up. When I drive past, I won't read the poster. I don't know what in the right time again. And they see PDA, vote Dakuku Wike for Salvation Ministry Party. You go just tire. Job they not get. For this country, many people can work safe. They hammer. Buhari, we can work, leave and run. Come back, rats, no enter the office. They complain, say rat. Buhari don't know, he don't think before he take this power. If you ask question, Jonathan entered there with black hair, come out with white hair. Buhari enter with white hair, to come out with moro. Never know himself. This country. I mean, this is what they sing. Not only Kevin they sing, me I they sing too. I want sing too. Man sing. That song we sing. You know, say the thing goes sweet if na life. He sing the gospel version. I feel sing the high life. Find out Sunday when the queue man take whether it will enter. But not what I want to do, but just try. No, not be that hold on my own. They give you to queue. You go see a chief. Osita. So the man try am. That song is over. Mogabana, bring her that small. Kevin Madu. I know say when the people want to start their song, they must laugh way, don't send them. Hey. Don't call here their people. Ibo Kwano! Riano! Ibo Mapano! The song has storm is over too. But I will help me sing too. Bring it down. I was down in the tunnel of one more. When I couldn't see the light of the one more. Sometimes when I look on, you go hear one small voice. Storm is over. They go come begin call people there when they consign them. Storm is over, they were more. Storm is over now. Storm is over, they were more. Storm is over now. And you want them more. Storm is over now. Storm will get you go by you. Now let me sing that. Oh no, my 93.7. I don't try now. We had to start. Now, ladies and gentlemen, because of time, I'm going to be brief. Sincerely speaking, I love this country. I traveled, come back recently. You know, believe for plane. You know, say Royal Highness, and then the joke. I see my Royal Highness inside flight. The guy humble. Person will get pride. If you don't greet them, they will banish you. That's why you sit down. Now I say, man, go here now. Now, after like 5 minutes turbulence, now I say, Your Royal Highness, sir. You know, answer me. Your Royal Highness, you know, as I better, you told them, I said, what's your problem? Royal Highness, now for crown now. For up, another person, the Royal Highness. What will you grand greet me, I beg? You feel it. You see what big person. I just said, after turbulence, now you know who. What can they make up? If you don't give me that land, I will kill you. After like 5 minutes, just quiet. You won't go peacefully roll everywhere. Peace finish, come out. The people say, no, where they flush her. People enter plane before. You don't know where to flush, and now you consider, okay, commit them. Are you the one who went to the cell? Go and flush it. You don't answer the guy, you can't sit down. He can't get up, go try, you don't fit, he come back. Instead, he go tell the man, say, you don't know a car. The man go, check out, the thing never flush. My friend, if you don't go and flush, I say, we slap you now. And you say, what is the problem now? Is it not to just press this thing? Go there, press the thing, he flush you, please. Now the man say, are you mad? If I know where to flush it, will I be disturbing you? You crazy. Go and flush it. Ladies and gentlemen, now, my friend, you know, that is the time you saw to the other day. You know, so not be every time you, not be every, and then, can we say church? Not be every time you go to church, they be like good man. Sometimes, just behave yourself. The other day when they discuss that, they tell me, say, one man go church in neighbor. I say, come back, I don't black. And that's how it happen. He said, not be good thing as a man too. One sister get up when they sing him. Nah, scared, enter for a center of a distance. As a good Samaritan, now drown, come aside. The next thing we hear now, oh, I don't black. I can't leave him. The next Sunday, he come back again. The other eye, don't black. Papa, you go to this thing again. He said, no. I sit down near the sister. As she get up, the thing still enter inside. Now one brother can go drag her out. And me, I'm not saying the sister no they like that thing. Now I took her inside back. As she thought, she don't see anybody. And me she see, now she blinded her one. This showed off the mango. Mango. Advisor. I just said I gospel show. I don't do gospel jokes. I go change joke. I will do this one, then I come out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and the tell people we care to listen. You know, say our upbringing, people they talk upbringing, our upbringing they're different. I want to talk to some pastors today about pastors not there again. You know, say there's difference between man of God and God of men. Not be joke. Then there's difference between those who are called and those who call themselves. There's difference between prophet, rabbi, pastor. You get the ones who Port Harcourt man they be apostle, the necklace they wrong.
To sell or buy event tickets online, visit www.tellerafricatickets.com or call 070-379-63884. Africa's online tickets shop.